Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching Planted once again. I hope that you are doing well. Today we are talking about moon cactus and how to save a moon cactus that is rotting or dying. So here I have healthy moon cacti, and this part is called the rootstock. This part is called the scion. So these are special plants and they do not produce their own chlorophyll. That's why they depend on another chlorophyll rich plant such as Hylocereus or a dragon fruit for all the nutrition that they get. So these are grafted onto other cacti, and if you look at this one, the rootstock has rotten because of the rain and waterlogging. But even after the rotting part, you can see that this cactus which is on the top is super healthy. There are no signs of rotting and everything, and we can still save this one if you have a rootstock. So here I have a rootstock of the dragon fruit plant, and it is very healthy. You can even look at the roots, and if you want to watch a complete video on what is grafting and how to graft it, then you may click on this link to check it. Now you need a healthy rootstock. I have dragon fruit cutting over here, and if you look carefully, it has grown nice roots inside. This is our rootstock, which is again very healthy. So I'll be cutting this and planting it over here. Lead with alcohol. Here we have it. We can see the right center circle, and I'll be removing this too. So here you can see that it has a circle, and this also has a circle. I will be putting this right on top of this. Now that our grafting is done, you need to place the plant in a shade or a semi-shade area which doesn't receive a lot of sunlight, and make sure that you water the plant after every 2 to 3 days. The rubber band on the plants might just wear off automatically, or you can remove them after 10 or 15 days. I've also added a small piece of brick. Sometimes the plant just leans because of the rubber band, so it helps the plant grow in an upward straight direction. And I have placed my plant right near the window, which does not receive a lot of sunlight but bright light throughout the day. And now we will be removing the rubber band from the plant. It has been more than 15 days. The plant seems very healthy and perfect, and as you can see, the plant has attached to the rootstock very firmly. It has attached so firmly to the rootstock that I can lift up the whole container just by the scion. Here are a few more examples of moon cacti that I have recently grafted. The plant keeps on producing babies. You can pick them up and plant them separately on different kinds of rootstocks. You can find more videos right here by clicking on the right section. Here's another example of a moon cactus which caught some fungus and it started rotting. Now I can just remove the scion up from the rootstock
and as you can see, the rootstock is completely dead, but the scion looks very healthy. Here's another example of a rootstock which started dying, but the upper part of the rootstock was still healthy, so you can just cut it with a blade and plant it in a different pot.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it helped you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to create more amazing videos. And if you find a rotting moon cactus, you know what to do next. Thank you once again. Bye bye.